Hello my friends. I'm going to do a ribbon pour today, but first I wanted to show you some more Christmas ornaments I made. I didn't do a video on it, but if you're interested, I could. They're very simple, and I got the idea from Brenda Pittman-Leaner on Facebook. I don't believe she has a YouTube channel, but she explained her process on one of the Facebook groups, and I jumped on it because I thought hers were wonderful. So bought these ornaments, these little kind of disc-shaped ones at Michael's in a big tub, and there we go. They're pretty easy. You dip the whole ornament into, well, I used white, and then you stick it on a popsicle stick, and I put it in a brick of foam, a florist foam brick, so it was standing up like this, and then you just drizzle color on them. And I used ready mix paints so it really was super easy. And then when they dried, I dipped them into Liquitex gloss varnish and then put them back. I kept the stick in, and then I let them dry overnight like that, and I'm really quite pleased with them. I have a different color ribbon to attach as the hanger, and I think they're really pretty. I tried them on the round ones as well, and I don't care for that look as much. I don't have one handy to show you, but because the way it drips around the bottom, I just didn't care for the look, where these are kind of flat, and so they drip nicely, and I think they're cute. So let me set these aside, get some gloves on, and get to today's work. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see how these are made, and I'll make a video for you. Okay, my friends, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, my friends, I am back. Now I decided to do a ribbon pour inspired by Antonia Diant. She's got a wonderful channel called Le Fleur d'Antonia, and I will link it below. You've got to see her work, and her colors are wonderful. So I'm going to try her style of ribbon pour. And in keeping with the holidays, I'm going to try Christmas colors, which means I have to use red and green, which is scary. So I've got this wonderful metallic red. This is that DecoArt. Well, not this one. I'm using emerald, and whatever this one is, Garnet, I think. Both DecoArt metallics. I've got golden hour, beautiful soft gold by Arteza. And then, of course, red, just a cad red. And then I mixed a deep red violet and added a little bit of metallic black to make it dark. So those are the colors. Now it's always a little scary to have red and green together. So I'm going to attempt something that occurred to me and see how that works. So anyway, here we go with the ribbon pour. Now the intention is to have some of this white background show. So I'm going to pour all of this out. Put the recipe down below. This is I pretty much followed her recommendation. She uses 4:1 Floetrol to paint, but it's not the same kind of white, same brand, and it's my metallics are different, so who knows what will happen. She makes it look easy, but that's not usually the case. When you first try a technique, it does take practice. Okay, I think that's good enough for coverage. Now, my idea to have green in there is to pour a little bit of this green now and then combine the other colors in a cup and pour on top. So let's just see how that works. So that's it for the green. And now I'll fill up a cup with my other colors. I won't fill up a cup. Actually, you don't need that much because you do want the white to, you know, be your negative space. So let's see. Go with the crimson. Maybe now the gold. Cad red. And repeat. What did I do next? This one? I'll pour that all in. All right, I think that's enough. So here we go. She pours it in kind of a very loose figure 8, and I'm going to do the same. Here we go. Wow, I don't have much red over here at all, but okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. And now tilting. Should I hit it with the torch? I think she hits it with the torch at this point. It's a lot more Floetrol than I usually use, so I'm thinking I might get cells, especially in the metallics. There we go, in that area. Okay. I like this area, not so much that. It's kind of fun. I think I'm going to take my gloves off and do a little something. That's kind of fun in there. Looks very Christmassy to me. Let me hit it with a torch. I like this bright presence of red in there, and that red violet was very pretty. My green idea kind of worked, I think. What do I have left? Got more green, and thinking about drizzling some gold on there. I have more of my cup. Should I do it? I think I will. This is wait. I'm going to add more gold to the cup before I do that. Okay. You know me and my ribbons. Oops. I love that. A few more. You know, much as I love her style, I've got to make it my own, and this is how I'm doing it. So, one more. Although I've seen her do this ribbony thing too, so. Okay. I think it's rather fun. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Looks kind of orangey through my camera, but it is a bright red. And a deep burgundy. Reminds me of cranberry sauce. Fun. I like these 8 by 24 inch canvases because they don't take up a lot of room if you hang them vertically, and yet they make quite a statement because they are 2 feet long. So yeah, I think it's fun. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye now.